Hello everyone, welcome to the Pacemaker medicine. Now today we are going to see about the hypersensitivity reaction. What are the types of hypersensitivity reaction? How to remember this all the hypersensitivity reaction type with the easiest mnemonics. Now there are mainly four kind of hypersensitivity reaction, that is the type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. In that, the type 1 hypersensitivity reaction is usually due to the allergic condition. That is, if someone is allergic to something, then hypersensitivity type 1 occur. There is an anaphylaxis reaction and there is a atopy, that is the skin allergy. Then the type 1 hypersensitivity reactions occur. Now A, how to remember this? A is the first alphabet, that's why A, starting from the A, that is your type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. Now the reactions which occur due to the antibodies generated against certain components, that is the type B, or sorry, that is the type 2 hypersensitivity reaction. Again B is the second, that's why it is the type 2. Now type 3 hypersensitivity reactions are seen due to the immune complex deposition, okay, or immune complex, that is antigen antibody complex is going to deposit in our body and there is reaction against that. Again you have to remember the C is the third letter, that's why type 3 is due to the immune complex deposition. And now the type 4, that are the delayed hypersensitivity reactions. D again fourth letter, that's why it is the type 4. So you have to remember this because it is very important to remember all the example of the hypersensitivity reaction in your exam. Directly the type 1 hypersensitivity reaction doesn't include following, like that questions is asked. So how to remember type 1 hypersensitivity reaction? We have to remember like A, B, C, D, but there are 3A, that is your A allergy, A asthma, A anaphylaxis. Now what is B? B is for bee sting. After the bee sting, reaction is going to occur, that is also a type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. C is Cassoni's test. This is also a, after the Cassoni's test the reaction is occur, that is your type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. Now the due to the penicillin the reaction is going to occur, that is a type again 1 hypersensitivity reaction. Type 2, how to remember the type 2 hypersensitivity reaction? Example, there is a mnemonic like my blood group is Rh positive. My, M for myasthenia gravis. B, that is the blood transfusion reactions are again type 2. The group G, that is your good posture and Graves disease, again this is a type 2 hypersensitivity reaction. Is I, that is the immune hemolytic anemia. R, that are the rheumatic fever. H, that is the hyperacute graft rejection, and the P, that is the pernicious anemia. We have to remember this because it is going to confuse with the type 3. How? I will tell you. See, now in the type 3 we have mnemonic like sharp. S for serum sickness and SAD. Okay. H is for HSP. In the recent video of the vasculitis we have seen Henno's clean purpura. A for arthrus reaction. Here R is again for reactive arthritis. P is for PSGN, that is the post streptococcal glomerulonephritis, and PAN, that is the in vasculitis we have seen polyarteritis nodosa. Here is also R, but this R is standing for the reactive arthritis. Here is R, that is standing for the rheumatic fever. Okay, and now in the type 4 also we have rheumatoid arthritis. So here is rheumatoid arthritis, here is reactive arthritis, and here is rheumatic fever. So first of all fever is going to occur, you know, in the type 2. Then there is reaction to the fever, and then only you can see a symptom of arthritis. In this way you can remember. Okay, in the type 4 we have Ramsit mnemonic. Ramsit, that is RA for rheumatoid arthritis, M for multiple scenario, no, this is multiple sclerosis, and C for contact dermatitis. I again for IBD, that is the IBD, and T for your TB. So this is easy, but you will always confuse with this rheumatoid arthritis, reactive arthritis, and this is rheumatic fever. How to remember? The first fever is going to occur, then there is a reaction to this fever, and then symptom of arthritis is going to occur. 2, 3, 4. So in this way you have to remember all these type of hypersensitivity reaction and their mnemonics, which will be very helpful, and frequently questions are asked on this. Okay.